show you how to set up Facebook sales ad campaign. And if you are newer in my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any question, please comment below. I will reply. Let's start. First, we have to enter your ad manager account. Then we will come campaign from here. Then we will create a new campaign. Okay. Then we will go to the sales. Next I will choose the manual setup. Okay, we need some time because it takes some time for loading. Okay, then I will give a name here, or you can give here anything. Okay, any kinds of name. Then I'll not select this one because I have a website. I will sell my product using my website. That's why I don't use the catalog. Then I will select the next. Okay. Then then I will select here the conversation for website. People come my website, visit my website, and purchase from there. And then I will select keep this one maximum number of conversation, and you must have a pixel in your website. So I already have a pixel. If you don't know how to set up pixel, please check my playlist. There is a video about pixel, how to set up it. Then I will choose the purchase. When people purchase from my website, then event will count. Ad may not be optimized conversation, haven't received any activity. Okay, leave it as. Then cost per goal, I will not take any action. This section, click through rate. Okay, engagement, view. Budget, I will keep a minimum budget right now. Okay, and you can select your start date and ending date from here. I will select my start date, but I will not select the ending date right now. You can select this box, increase your budget during inspection. After few time you can increase your budget. I will show you how to. If you check mark here, you will show a box, and you can increase your budget from here, but I will not check it right now. Then you can select your location from here. You can select any country: United Kingdom, UK, India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Canada, as you wish. Placement, I will suggest here. Wait, I will suggest not advanced placement. I will suggest manual placement. Okay, you can use advanced placement, but my choice manual placement. That's why I will not show my message in advertise in Messenger. Okay, here, and also I will not show my advertising in the Instagram live ads. Okay, then I will click show more option. You can select device here from Android, iOS. So I will select both, and when it will connected Wi-Fi, no, I will select both network, all network. Okay, so that's why I uncheck it, and then I will go Next, can you see the right side? Here is the 5 and 4 conversation or $5, at least 10. You will get 10 conversation. Okay, at least 10. Maximize, you will get 15. Maximum time, reach the maximum result. Then I will select here. I will select this so I can preview my ad here. You can keep a name here as your wish, but I'll select my page. Wait, not there. Okay. If you cannot find page, you can use learn more. Okay, you can find here. Okay, I'll leave it. I'll select a page here. Then you can read this article, but I'll cross it as because I have already a page Cascade Mart. Then I will select the create existing post. Okay, existing post. Then show more. Okay, maybe this page have no page like this page. I'll change this page and I'll set wait this one. You need to access advertising. Instagram, no, I'll not select the Instagram. Existing post. Then you can select your post, existing post here. I'll select this one and try to make a post with good title and description. Then continue. Okay, then placement edit. If you want to placement, you can edit here, and I think you can change the call to action button. Okay, so change it, call to action button. I'll select order now or buy now, and you just put your website here. You must put your website link. So this is test ad, that's why I will put a fake website name, or I'll put my website name. This is my website and I will update it. Okay, so people visit my website and purchase from there, and you can click then everything is okay, then I will publish it and your video will show here. This is the process. I hope you understand, and if you have any question, please comment below. I will reply, and please subscribe my channel and also follow my Facebook page. Thank you. And if you want to contact me, I left my contact description box, contact information. Please, you can contact from there. Okay, thank you. Have a good day.